In this video, we will review how to use the keyless access system. If your vehicle is equipped with this system, you will see a small rectangular button on each door handle. To unlock the doors using keyless access, make sure the transmitter is within 3 feet of the door being unlocked. You can do a single button press on the driver door handle to unlock the driver door only, which will prevent unwanted guests from accessing the passenger doors. You can also press the button on the driver door handle twice to unlock all doors. Or, when the driver door handle is out of reach, simply press the button on any passenger door to unlock all doors. When you're ready to exit the vehicle, make sure the ignition is turned off and press the button on any door handle to lock all doors.